Let's continue with the gallbladder channel. Today we discuss the gallbladder divergent channel. First, we explore its pathway. The gallbladder divergent channel separates from the gallbladder primary channel near gallbladder 30. According to some authors, it separates on the thigh. In the illustration on the right shows the variant where it separates. So from gallbladder 30, it traverses the hip region to the anterior aspect of the body, then reaches the inguinal region and crosses the liver divergent channel at REN2. It then ascends to the abdomen to liver 13 below the free end of the 11th rib. It then continues internally along the thoracic wall and connects with the gallbladder and the liver and passes the heart, and then ascends to the neck and emerges on the lower jaw. It disperses on the face, connects with the gallbladder primary channel and the liver divergent channel to form one of the six co-confluences. Here is the gallbladder and the liver as the second confluence. And finally, it continues to the eye system and ends in the brain. Clinical importance. It strengthens the relationship between the gallbladder and the liver in the Zhang-Fu organ systems. Points on the gallbladder primary channel can therefore be used to treat disorders of the liver and vice versa. It also supports the relationship between the esophagus and the heart, and the liver bladder and the gallbladder divergent channel covers the area around the eyes, thus supporting the action of some gallbladder points for disorders of the eyes. To recap, the gallbladder divergent channel diverges from the primary channel on the thigh, enters the pubic hairline, which it converges with the divergent channel of the liver, enters the flank between the lower ribs, connects with the gallbladder and spreads upward through the liver, proceeds upward across the heart and esophagus, and emerges at the lower jaw, disperses in the face, connects with the eye, and rejoins the gallbladder primary channel at the outer canthus. The gallbladder channel of Fu Shaoyang is interiorly exteriorly coupled with the liver channel and paired with the Sanjiao channel of the Han Shaoyang according to the sixth channel theory. The gallbladder-liver relationship is further strengthened by the fact that, first, the gallbladder primary and divergent channels connect with the liver. Second, the gallbladder-Lu connecting channels connects with the liver channel. And third, the gallbladder divergent channel connects with the liver divergent channel. In addition, it is important to note that the gallbladder primary channel begins at the outer canthus and travels to the infraorbital region, whilst the gallbladder divergent channel connects with the eye. The gallbladder primary channel crisscrosses the side of the head as well as meeting with points Sanjiao 22, Sanjiao 20, and stomach 8 in this region. The gallbladder primary channel both passes behind the ear and enters the ear. The gallbladder primary channel passes through the jaw and the throat region. The gallbladder primary channel descends through the chest and connects with the pericardium channel at pericardium 1. The gallbladder primary and divergent channels pass anterior to the axilla. The gallbladder senior channel links with the breasts. The gallbladder divergent channel connects with the heart. The gallbladder primary channel passes through the inguinal region and encircles the genitals. The gallbladder primary and divergent channels goes to the sacrum and the primary channel connects with Du1.